So, full disclosure, I'm just gonna get it right out of the way. This product was actually provided to me by Orzly. But when they went ahead and emailed me and asked me if I would review it, they wanted my honest opinion about it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about it. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, just looking at it right off the bat, it is a beautiful looking case. And holding this thing, like touching it and feeling it, it actually feels really, really good. So right when we open it up, you're going to see pockets immediately for 8 game cards that you can store and take with you on the go. You can also fit a micro SD card in here, or 8 micro SD cards if you're going all digital and have a lot of money to blow on digital games. If you fold over that pocket, you can see a nice little spot for your Switch to go. It has nice little grooves in there so that the JoyCons can fit nicely, and it also has another pocket where you can keep your accessories, and you can pretty much take anything that can fit in here. And as you can see on the table, I have a Pocket Juice battery pack with me, 2 JoyCons, 2 games, a charging cable for my Switch, and my Switch itself. So let's go ahead and start at the top with the cream de la crop. Throw the Switch in there. The very first thing, the most important thing, if I might add. Go ahead and toss that in there. You can see that it does have these little elastic straps that's going to keep everything in there nice and tight. It's going to keep it from flying out. You want to fling your case up, you know, because when you're walking down the stairs, you tend to hold your cases like this and then toss up and down your Switch. So it's good that it's good that you do have something like this to keep it insecure. I like that they added this. A lot of cases don't have this little bit of extra protection. So having something like this does keep it nice and secure, especially if you're just opening up your case and you don't have to worry about it falling out. So moving forward, let's go ahead and slide in the game cards. Now I've noticed with these cases, a lot of people first instinctually go ahead and slide it down this way, but I've found that really the best way to do it is if you slide it from the top up and kind of keep your game cards hanging upside down. They're not going to fall out. These pockets are really tight. They are going to keep them inside of these pockets. So don't worry about any game cards sliding down if they're upside down. This is really just the best way to quickly put them inside of the pockets and quickly take them outside of the pockets. So we're going to go ahead and move forward and stick our gigantic but not so gigantic battery pack in there at the same time. So you can see that it does fit. I could just literally go with this and my cable if I wanted to and close it up and I'd be good to go. But you can see that I still have quite a lot of room for some more things. So I'm going to slide this cable over here. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it down so it does fit. And then these JoyCons can go ahead and just slide right into the side of this case right here and fold it all over, close it up, and you can see that I now have one of the coolest to-go Switch cases in existence, probably. And all of the stuff that I was able to fit inside now means that I have the most optimal portable Switch gaming experience on the go. I'm not going to run out of any batteries. My Switch is completely secure. I have 2 extra pair of JoyCons, so technically I have 4-player multiplayer once Mario Kart comes out. And this is just incredible. Check it out. Totally fine, not worried at all about my Switch inside. I know that it's going to be protected because Orzly does a fantastic job making some of the greatest accessories for the Switch. But that's going to be it, guys. You can see that the Switch looks absolutely great. So if you're interested or looking for a good case for your Switch, a good carrying case for your Switch, I would definitely look